What's up, tubers? It's Tony, and today I'm going to show you the location of and how to replace your crankshaft position sensor on your 2016 Toyota Camry. This is the LE model. Before you start working on anything electrical in your vehicle, you should always disconnect the black cable from your battery. This keeps you from accidentally shorting out something by accident. Now, if you have check engine code p0335 because of a bad crankshaft position sensor, the crankshaft position sensor is located behind the front passenger wheel. So you want to jack the vehicle up and place it securely on a jack stand, and then you'll find a retaining cover. It has two 10mm bolts. Remove those, drop the cover down, and just look at this pulley here and come straight to the left, and you will find the crankshaft position sensor. For those of you who are looking for your PCV valve, it's right in the same location, but up in this corner. Just look for there's only one hose up where my finger's pointed at. It's a black hose. It's a bitch to get out, but that's where it is. The crankshaft position sensor is retained by a 10mm retaining bolt. The electrical connector is the type where you just push down on the tab like this. And then you can pull the electrical connector away from the crankshaft sensor. Now is a good time to examine the electrical connector for rust, corrosion, dirt, anything that would cause or keep the crankshaft sensor from getting electrical power needs to be dealt with. 10mm retaining bolt. Once you remove that retaining bolt, guys, what you want to do is take your old sensor and just turn it side to side and start working its way out. Keep in mind, just like you see in front of you, the sensor is fairly long, so you don't want to break this bad boy off in there, but just turn it side to side and slowly it will come out, okay? Just take your time, guys. Once you get your new crankshaft position sensor, take fresh motor oil and coat the new O-ring of the new crankshaft position sensor before you stick it back into its housing. Doing this will keep the new crankshaft position sensor's O-ring from drying out prematurely due to excessive heat from when the engine gets hot. So just put your new crankshaft position sensor in, bolt it down, guys. You don't need to go bonkers on that bolt, but you want to make sure that it's nice and snug. Take your electrical connector, put it back over the new crankshaft position sensor, and you want to make sure that it locks into place. Okay, make sure it locks into place. Make sure the sensor is fully seated. Okay, now you're ready to reconnect your battery and then reset your check engine light. So make sure that you reconnect the black cable to your battery and reset your check engine light. Also, take note that there's corrosion buildup starting to build up around the battery terminals of this Camry. So you want to take a can of Coke or Pepsi and pour it over the terminal. Nothing will short out or blow up or anything of that nature. What's going to happen is the acid in your Coke or Pepsi will eat away the acid corrosion buildup that you see there. Take a toothbrush and clean it as needed, and then you're good to go. So I hope the video has been helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.